Memorable moment with Satya sir, I think I would like to mention the recent 100% acquisition of our Austrian subsidiary. We had a great conversation, discussion time to time. He supported a lot while completing that transaction. So yes, that would be the memorable moment for me.
In the COVID period, he had supported me a lot during that time. And also, he had taken us for a picnic. That time we had enjoyed a lot.
कोरोना में हमारे लिए भी नए थे सर और हम भी सर के लिए नए थे, बट उन्होंने जो कोरोना में जो हमें गाइडेंस किया, सपोर्ट किया, जिस तरह से उन्होंने हमको समझा, तो उसमें उनका सपोर्ट अच्छा था. कभी भी उनको कॉल करूँ तो वो अवेलेबल होते थे.
मैंने सबसे एज अ प्रेशर ज्वाइन किया था. उनके अंडर जो काम करके मुझे एक्सपीरियंस मिला है वो बेस्ट था.
जब हम MCGM का काम करते थे, इवन संडेज में भी रात को 9-10 बजे सत्या सर वॉज ऑलवेज विथ अस. वो हमेशा उनकी केबिन में रहते थे और हमेशा सबको पूछ के ही जाते थे, तूने खाना खाया क्या, घर कैसे जा रहा है, सबका हो गया क्या, कितने बजे तक रुक रहे हो, ये सब पूछ के ही जाते. तो दैट वाज द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल.
The best memorable experience with Satya sir will be like in 2011 when I was doing detail engineering. I used to travel with him in 45 MLD CETP New Palsana, and there was one exhibition in Pune in which Abdul Kalam sir was there. So yes, these two experiences were the best, and we had pizza party after it.
Satya sir is very calm, disciplined, respectful. Many things to inspire from him.
So I had opportunity to work with Satya sir on the turbo blowers and then on solid waste management plants, where I first-hand experience of his depth of knowledge in process as well as the equipment.
I have worked with Satya sir for fiber disc filters, and one of the memorable things ये है कि जब कभी fiber disc filter के बारे में कुछ टेक्निकल चीज़ें लेके जाते थे तो फर्स्ट देश से कि अरे प्रसाद ये क्या लेके आया तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता था. फिर बाद में एक एक चीज़ें डिस्कस करके सब एट ए टाइम क्लोज करके है वो फाइबर डिस्क फिल्टर का ऊपर हम बेच देते हैं.
Keeping calm in any circumstances, being patient, and yes, being happy. Concentrate on your fitness as well while doing work. If you ask me, he is the perfect example of work-life balance.
जब फाइनेंस वो देखते थे तभी उन्होंने एक टाइम लिमिट दिया था. वो जो टाइम लिमिट था वो हर वीक में या हर 15 डेज में एक बार रेफर करते थे और अपडेट लेते थे. तो उनकी जो ये खासियत है टाइम की क्या अपडेट्स है, वो फॉलोअप वगैरह, वो जो चीज़ है वो हम लोगों को बहुत इम्प्रेस होते थे. एट द एज ऑफ 60 ऑल्सो ही इज सच ए फिट एंड फाइन. ही इज डूइंग मैराथन एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट्स अ नाइस क्वालिटी इन.
उनका लीडरशिप वाला क्वालिटी और वर्क डेडिकेशन उनका एक अच्छा क्वालिटी हो.
लोगों को कैसे जोड़ के रखना है, बिकॉज टेकिंग अ टाइम ऑन हिज पर्सनल लेवल टू इंटरेक्ट विद ऑल द एम्प्लॉइज, दैट इज द ग्रेट व्हाट आई लर्न फ्रॉम सत्या सर. उसके वजह से हमारा पॉजिटिव और सपोर्टिव वर्क एनवायरनमेंट हमेशा रहा है.
सत्या सर का जो अप्रोच था, प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच हर चीज को देखने का, दैट वाज लाइक द बेस्ट थिंग.
First of all, he is very disciplined. In spite of his age, he is a very good runner. He never falls for his timings. He always runs for his fitness and happiness in a true sense. And he's always approachable and handles the situation very calmly.
He's very calm and composed person, and I have seen him handling sometimes very complex and tricky situations in a very diplomatic and composed manner.
Even in difficult situation, he stays calm and take proper decision that I follow. उनका अप्रोच जो था प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में वो टेक्निकल भी रहता था और प्रैक्टिकल भी रहता था. तो इसकी वजह से जो सॉल्यूशंस थे प्रोजेक्ट से वो जल्दी मिल जाते थे.
Champion at the age of 60.
एनर्जेटिक एंड कॉन्फिडेंट.
उनका जो एनर्जी है और उनका फिटनेस है वो एकदम सही है.
एनर्जेटिक फॉरएवर इन.
बेस्ट मेंटोर.
क्लास.
इंस्पायरिंग.
Balanced, because he's not only balanced in his work, but he is also balanced on his fitness front.
So Satya sir is a passionate runner and he follows his heart.
He is an inspiration for me. Because of him, I have started running.
So on his 60th birthday is just the number, what we call the biological age. I am sure it will be below 25. So we wish him happy birthday and stay fit and keep inspiring and motivating us.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Satya sir.
Wishing you very, very Happy return of the day, Satya sir.
Wish you happy birthday, Satya sir. Thank you very much for the journey, what we have learned from you. I will pray to God that he should remain such a fit and fine for long.
Happy 60th birthday, sir. God bless you.
Happy birthday, sir. Keep inspiring us.
Happy birthday, sir.
सर प्लीज डोंट रिटायर, एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर. हमारे मेंटोर हमेशा के लिए रहिए आप जियो हजारों साल और साल के दिन हो 50,000.
Wish you many, many happy returns of the day, Satya sir. Please don't retire. Though it is your 60th birthday, but it looks like you are in early 40s.
So last 10 years, I am seeing Satya sir is focusing more and more on fitness. I mean, he maintains this kind of, fitness mantra which he is following. And I wish him a very healthy life and a very happy life even after retirement.
Many happy returns on his 60th birthday. I only pray to God that I should give him good health. Don't count the candles. It's just number. Enjoy the glow and happy 16th birthday.
Very happy birthday to you, sir, and enjoy your life to the fullest.
Hi Satya, wish you a very, very happy birthday. This is your 60th birthday and people will say that possibly you are going to get retired, but I know you cannot and you will not retire. You have taught me how to chase the things persistently. Even it takes 1,000 efforts. I know you since 25 years now and I've never seen you stopping. You taught me how to design, you taught me how to break your head when the situations are tough, but find a solution. And more than that, you taught me how to enjoy life. So I don't think you are going to retire. You are still going to mentor people the same way you mentored me. Thank you so much, Satya, for being with me all those 25 years and going on. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Dear Satya, it's your great anniversary. You are a great supporter of SFC Austria. We appreciate working with you and your team. As a person, we know you as a calm and open-minded person. We appreciate working with you already over 2 years and we're looking forward to additional 10 years working with you. Like in sports, you are also as a businessman very dedicated and know that some effort is needed to reach the goals.
Very good. This Satya, from my side personally, I fully agree to Simon what he said. And I met you once, or the first time in December last year, so we don't know each other that long. But within these 5 months, I get to know you a bit better. And I think you have a really strong leadership, relating always and based always on humanity. And this is very important for the future of our company, organization. And I hope we have a long relationship for the next 10 years either. So, Satya, the 60 is the new 40 with 20 years of experience. And we wish you happy birthday!